Let's have a look at the question.
A cube has the following figures drawn on 5 of its faces: circle, cross, triangle, square, and ellipse. The top surface is blank. The ellipse is drawn between the cross and the triangle, and the square is on the triangle's right. The ellipse and the square are opposite to each other. They have told it's a cube, taking out circle, cross, triangle, and ellipse. So they are not talking about the dimension of the cube. So I'll take out any general cube. So this is an example of a cube. And they have told the top surface is blank. So this is going to be a blank, nothing. The ellipse is between the cross and a triangle. If this is ellipse, it is in between a cross and a triangle. If you're going to look into this one, okay, look into this particular part, moving like this, then I can say you can take out ellipse anywhere you want. You can start with that, anywhere you want. If you're going to look into this thing, it's nothing but revolving up and down, up to down. Okay, if you're going to look into that, this is right, left, this is up and down. If you want to look into that, then ellipse will be exactly at the bottom, right? Cross can be here, ellipse is here, and triangle can be here. So cross can be here, ellipse at the bottom, triangle can be on the other side, right? But ellipse will be exactly at the bottom if you're going to take out that case. So we have got two possibilities: going out with the right and left, going out with the top and bottom. Next, let's check it out. The square is on the triangle's right. The square is on the triangle's right. Now, if you're going to place this cube in this way, and if you're going to take out the square to the triangle's right, square to the triangle's right, so there are again two possibilities. The triangle can be on any of the face, like it is pasted on the wall, or it can be at the bottom. Triangle can be at the bottom also. Now look here, when you're going to say the triangle is at bottom, and if you're going to take out right, that is not the right way to take it, because they have already told the blank part is at the top, and if you're going to take out right, if you're going to tilt this cube, this bottom's right will keep on changing. So that is not the case. It means that the triangle is on the face. So if this is going to be a triangle, I can assume anywhere I want. You can take it on this side also. They have told square is on the triangle's right. If this is going to be a triangle, this is going to be a square then. Square is going to be here. The ellipse and the square are opposite to each other. If this is a square, ellipse will be on this side. Now this is contradicting your up-down approach, because when you're going to take out up-down, which says that ellipse was at the bottom and ellipse and square are opposite, which says the top section will be a square, which is not the case. It is contradicting that also. So ellipse is not at the bottom, then I have to take out the triangle, circle, and ellipse on the walls, not at the bottom. If this is done, the next one, if this is triangle, this is an ellipse, then this should be a cross. If this is going to be a cross, then I can then say the circle will be at the bottom. So where is the circle? Circle is at the bottom face. The cube is rolled to get the ellipse on the top face. If you're going to roll the ellipse on the top face, what is at the bottom face? Of course, bottom face is the one which is opposite to ellipse. So opposite to ellipse is going to be a square. So answer will be option C.
Thanks for watching, and for more updates on similar videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.